Hi guys, so today is another review video for you. As you can tell by the title, I have this really lovely gel polish from BORNPRETTYSTORE, and it's got this really cool name, Epiphanies. Just really like the sound of it. You can see on the front it gives you an idea of what the colour is. It's this green glitter. Now I saw this star on it and at first I just thought it was, you know, decorative on the bottle, but once you actually look inside at the polish, focus on it, there is actually stars in it. There's some there on the tip of the brush, a couple of them layered on top of each other. So we're just going to try this out and see how we go. I have to say that I'm really impressed with the coverage. Obviously that's just one coat. You do just have to pat it slightly if you get, you know, too much clumping together of the glitter and the stars, but it was very easy to manipulate and I'm very happy with that first coat. I'm going to cure that in the lamp. So that's the polish, had two coats and been cured in the lamp, also top coat. And I'm sure you're all first of all wondering, is it smooth? Yes, it is actually smooth. Like there's no lumps or bumps, there's no sticky out bits. I did wonder if I was going to get any, but they're absolutely fine. So yeah, I really do love this product. The colour is so Christmassy, the glitter is so intense, it's really, really lovely. There is a code down below if you want to buy anything on the website, and I will of course link this item as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.